Do you constantly feel tired and lethargic? And this may be linked to chronic overbreathing. Yep, you heard it right. A lot of us who are tired all the time are chronic overbreathers. We take in more oxygen than we need. I know you must be thinking, what the hell are you talking about, man? Hold on, hear me out first. It all ties down to this thing called the Bohr effect. Now, the Bohr effect is a real thing. It was discovered in 1904 by Danish physiologist Christian Bohr, named after him. What the Bohr effect essentially means is that our blood, made out of red blood cells, contains hemoglobin, which is used to bind with oxygen to carry blood around the body. Now, in order for the red blood cell to offload the oxygen to our cells, it depends on the concentration of carbon dioxide. So the Bohr effect states that as concentrations of carbon dioxide increases, it facilitates the release of oxygen by the red blood cell. And this is crucial at the blood and tissue level. If the blood carbon dioxide is low, then our red blood cells hold on to the oxygen, and there will not be a transfer of the oxygen from blood to tissues. Now you bring it up to the brain level. If your brain is not getting enough oxygen, how would you think that your energy level will be like? Not very good, I suppose. So let's tackle the overbreathing part now. So what do I mean by overbreathing? We are often taught to take in a deep breath when we are stressed or tired, or in yoga exercises, right? Breathe in. Now, yes, you might be breathing in a big volume of air, you're breathing in oxygen, but what they are not taking into account is that you are expelling more air too. And in doing so, you are actually lowering the amount of carbon dioxide in the bloodstream. Just think about hyperventilating. You're breathing in, breathing out fast. That lowers the CO2. That gets you giddy. So low CO2, the blood retains oxygen. Oxygen doesn't go into body cells, your brain, so therefore you are tired. So what's the solution? There are a few good practices. The first point, take smaller breaths when you're at rest. So maybe when you're just walking or you're sitting down, every minute we should be taking in only 10 to 12 breaths. Sometimes individuals can be taking as much as 20 breaths, especially that's when we are stressed. Second point, nose breathe when you're exercising. Don't use your mouth because you end up again taking up a bigger volume of air. This one is hard if you are pushing near max effort, so I don't recommend you doing that. When you're doing like zone 2 heart rate exercises, you should be nose breathing. Don't use your mouth. Next one, this can be quite funky and people might not be too willing to try. I certainly felt weird doing it at first. You can actually use a tape to tape up your mouth when you're sleeping at night. This, again, prevent you from mouth breathing at night. So you rely just on your nasal airway. So all the above strategies are meant to help your body tolerate or actually train it to tolerate higher levels of carbon dioxide. So I learned all this from this book by Patrick McKeown titled The Oxygen Advantage. I highly recommend it to learn more about the stuff I talked about. So if you have enjoyed what I shared, please like the video, hit that subscribe button, and click on the notification bell so that you updated post content like that. Gary from Penultimate Performance, signing out. See you in the next one.